Let's create the simple DIY tea light holder this Diwali and beautify our homes. So for this I used an MDF cutout, but you can use a cardboard that is cut out into shape, some paint, Fevicryl molded, Fevicol, scissors and whatever sequins or embellishments that you have and paints that you have. So let's get started. This is Mansa here from Upcycle. So for this we'll begin with painting our base. Here in my case it is an MDF, and like I said, you can use your cardboard that is cut out into any shape. Have two layers and one portion you cut out from the top part. Now I'm mixing two parts of Fevicryl molded. It comes with a resin and hardener. I'm mixing them equally and then rolling it into thin lines. So these lines, once hardened, they would form a border for my tea light holder. I am beginning to attach it to the base by using some Fevicol. So line out the base using this rolled out Fevicryl molded. This is easily available in the market and you can quickly use it. There you go. I've done with my center part. Now I'll be bordering the outside part of the flower. So with the same process, I'm rolling out the Fevicryl molded into thin lines and then using Fevicol, I'm sticking the rolled out Fevicryl molded to my base. This creates a quick border. Once dries, it hardens. So for the base part, while I painted, the painting is not mandatory. I just did it to protect my surface. Anyways, you can use any color and it wouldn't be shown out. So now I'm applying some glue and adding mirrors that I had. Here you can go wild and be creative. Create any design that you would like. Whatever mirror shapes I had, I'm just randomly adding them to make some design. Mirrors, once the tea light holder is lighted, they would shine bright and nice. So that's the whole point of it. You can use kundans, beads or whatever you have handy. This Diwali create something handmade, and I'm sure you'd be really happy once you light that candle or diya. And anyways, handmade gives a lot of happiness. So I'm done adding my mirrors. Now I have these metal flowers that I would like to add to the centers. Using some Fevicol again, I'm just adding the flowers to the ridges. This is how my diya looked once done. So now it's time to paint and give it a vintage finish. For this I'm going to use little black gesso. Now I'm attaching the top portion to the base part by adding some Fevicol again. Make sure they're aligned properly so that there wouldn't be any differences. So I am done creating my textures. Now I'll go ahead and add black gesso to my entire surface. If you don't have gesso, you can mix some black acrylic paint with some POP, that is plaster of Paris, and make a thick paste. This just ensures your paint or waxes would stick properly. This is how it looked. Now I'm cleaning out the mirrors using a damp sponge. So it is very easy to clean out gesso from the mirrors. I'm not cleaning it very tidily because I wanted that vintage and worn out finish. So I'm just randomly scrubbing off the gesso from the mirrors. So this is how it looked once I cleaned. Now I'm using some metallic wax and applying it using my fingers. Use circular motions and apply it randomly. Instantly this gives details and gives that vintage effect to your project. Black and gold is always classy, isn't it? So I'm done waxing all the places. Make sure you're covering up your edges as well because they would show. So now my tea light holder has begun to take its shape. Now I'm adding more colors using blue and green waxes. I'm just highlighting all the flowers, and the black portion I'm just adding some green wax to highlight it. Add some color to the black portions as well. Don't worry if the waxes are getting stuck to the mirrors again. We can clean it up pretty easily. Now I think my mirrors are dirty. I'm going to use some sponge and clean it up. Make sure you're using a little damp sponge so that it would be cleaned properly. So this is how it looked. I added some kundans and mirrors to decorate it, and this is how it looked. I hope you liked this quick DIY and would give it a try. Please like and share this project and subscribe to my channel if you like it. Bye.